Ready? Let's go! Tingnan nyo naman yung ganda ng lugar. Feeling ko pwede ka dito tapos mag-camp ka somewhere there, no?
Probably, may camping lang. May camping tent.
Ah, ito pa. Nagaan din sila, Christmas.
Meron dyan sa taas. Diba? At maraming ano dito. Start point ba ito ng ano? A walk or something?
Idea, babe.
Pero mataas ito eh. So, Merry Christmas everyone.
Gusto mo ba dito?
Dami tao. Ano tayo eh? Introvert tayo eh.
The real road tripper.
Introvert traveler.
Ang alam ko ito yung parang highest ano ata nila eh, road eh. Sa buong Wales eh. Or England. Wales? Search mo highest road in Wales.
No, I'm not doing it. Let me see.
Solid naman.
So the highest road in UK is in Scotland.
Oo, Scotland talaga kasi. Isipin mo, Scotland pa lang mataas na yan.
The highest road in Wales is the Gospel Pass.
Yes, that's it. Told you. We just
It's
passed.
located in the Black Mountains of Southeast Wales.
Yun lang, paano
So
na.
Black Mountains pala to.
Wait lang, boss.
So it will end in Hay-on-Way. If I'm pronouncing
thank
it.
you.
Wow! Grabe.
Wow!
Ganyan kalakas ang
Sana. Tama din sila. Tumawa rin yung babe, para sa New Zealand oh. Kaya ang galing no. Welcome to New Zealand talaga eh. Tumawa yan. Iba talaga pag naka 4x4 ka eh. Di pang araro mo ata eh, pwede eh.
Ano pang hahanapin mo dito? Wala nga lang baka, tupa nga lang.
Ito pa lang.
The highest mountains. Wales pala to.
Gospel Pass.
Ano naman kaya yung bato-bato na yun?
Uy, gusto mo minta dyan? What's that for?
Maybe it's a tomb.
Who's tomb? The King's tomb. Swerte na doon tayo dumaan. Kasi hindi against the light. Kung doon tayo dumaan diyan tagilid ang vapor. O saan ba tayo niyan?
It will end in Hay-on-Way na way.
Where?
Hay-on-Way.
How far is it from here?
Not sure.
Probably 2 miles.
Ano? Ba't kaya sila nag-start dun sa...
Baka yung mga nag-start doon galing silang north. Tayo kasi galing sa south.
Oh, Hay-on-Way is the second-hand bookshop capital of the world. Let's go there and buy something.
Bookshelf?
Bookshop. Yeah.
Ah, bookshop.
Second-hand bookshop. Capital of the
Ay,
world.
parang naano ko nga yan.
Here. We'll go there.
Yes, sir. Ano bibiliin ka ba doon? What book are you planning to buy there? Any second-hand book?
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
Ano, hindi ka masyadong ma-appreciate
Oh my
babe, kasi
god, oh my god, where is this? Ang galing.
ano yun? Book yung ano nila? Pader?
Oo, parang book yung pala. Saan kaya to? Oh my god. Parang halos lahat eh.
Tuwa ka na naman dyan. Ha?
So exciting. So exciting.
Which one is giveaway? Is it?
Hey, on the way.
They are the giveaway.
Did you see?
Ano na?
They're on the way. Am I pronouncing it correctly though? Hey, on the way. Pronunciation. Oh, baby.
This is the time we're gonna reverse. Nothing, Digan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nag-reverse din tayo, babe.
High on Y.
Hi and why, babe?
Hi
It's
and
not
why.
hey and
High
why.
on Y.
That's how
Hi
you
and
pronounce
why.
it.
Yeah. Hi and why.
High on Y.
Hi and
Holy crap, what a beautiful place down there. I can't even properly see it.
High on Y.
tama na. Hi and why. Hey and why.
Parang yung Gaelic ata or Scotland, parang literal sila eh, no?
Hi and why.
Sila talaga yung totoong English, tapos yung US binabago nila eh.
Hi and why. We're going to hi and why. Which is the second book. Second book. Second book. Hindi, second hand book. Capital.
Capital of England? Of Wales only.
Hi and why. English.
Thank you.
Hi and why. Getting busy na.
Ano kasi parang nabibingi ka na ba? Konti, hindi ka pa nabibingi. Nabibingi ako, pababa na tayo.
Do you know what to do
What do you mean?
if you're nabibingin?
Eh, hiccup daw.
Hindi. Lumunok na lang.
Shout out. Shout out. Uy,
Christmas ride.
babae yung kasama niya. Asawa niya siguro yun.
Probably.
Wait lang. I can't see properly from that side. That's it. Let's turn on the fan.
Ayun. Eh, ano mo na lang, babe? Hi on why, sabihin mo. Hindi forest road.
Tara na.
Lagyan na tayo ng parking lot na tasmat. Hindi na rin ako ngayong
Yung
yung carrier.
anong carrier?
Baby carrier.
Pwede naman siya sa trolley. Akala ko nasa likod lang yung carrier last time. Pinasok ba natin, no? Pero kasya naman yung dalawang sasakyan dito, feeling ka. Kaya okay lang. Okay, sa mga ganitong daan, ano lang talaga yun, no? Bigayan lang talaga kayo ng daan. Oh, yeah, it's fine. I'm reversing.
Anong ginawa niya? Ba't siya nagtanong?
Nagsisignal na tumagpas daw ako. Nagsisignal siya na come over, you can make it. Yung meron nga pala doon. Ito. Dito kasi siya banda eh. Dito siya banda. Doon. Ako papapestuhin niya. Di ko na nakita yun. Yan, lalim naman ito. Speaking of reversing, nakailang reverse na tayo ah.
Pansin mo kasi. Yan tuloy. Hey, ang lady. Hi, ang Hi, ang Hi, ang Where are you from? Hi, ang How do you spell that?
This is 20 miles per hour.
Igeli. How do you pronounce naman that one?
Igli.
Igeli.
Sayang no, kung na-play ko lang tong camera sana mula nung taas, baby. Mula nung paakyat tayo eh. Highest road in Wales, United Kingdom. Search mo na how far away from there. May mga sila, road parking sila dito. Kasi dito na tayo banda sa